Currently, we have a model that's passed to a new table view controller when we click the last names button. The table displays some data from the model, but we have no way to get back to the original view controller, no way to dismiss this view controller. That will be next. We'll go to the grkviewcontroller.m and add some new code. I'll just comment out a couple of lines here. And paste in new info. We have nav controller, navigation controller. This will have a bar up at the top for us to navigate through data. We'll just go 2 levels deep, but this allows you to push many levels. We could go 5, 6, 8 or more levels and then pop one at a time back out. A really great way to navigate through data. We'll initialize that with our controller that we want to display the data in the table, and then present the nav controller rather than before we presented the controller. I also made a little change here. The transition style previously was cover vertical, but I changed that to cross dissolve. Let's see how that works. Here's our button. When we click it, dissolve. Here's our table data as before, but now we have this nice navigation bar up at the top. Currently it doesn't have anything in it, but that is about to change. We'll go to the last name view controller, look at the view did load, and add some code here. This will add a bar button item. It's a slightly different shape button than the one we've used before, but same idea. And this time, instead of using the nib to make it display, we'll do it through code. The selector for it will be doDismiss. That means we need a method, doDismiss, that will be activated when that button is clicked. And let's see, also we'll set the title to be last names, and the left bar button will be indeed this button that we just created. So we need a doDismiss method, and this will be just as we've done in the past. doDismiss, it just dismisses the view controller. And I notice I put void here because we're not really using the nib. Before we had an IB action there, but just connecting it with code this time around. And let's see how this works. Looks like we have our last names button. Here's our list, and yes, last names is the title. There's a done button. When I click on it, it comes back to the previous view controller. So there are all the ideas that you need for homework 10, and of course add another button to view the data in a different way. That's it.